my world. Oh, don't worry, darling, I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you, and when you go, leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting, can't make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting, I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taken, baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met, I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense, but you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you I cherish all your lines. And after all this time, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taken, baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone, but I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in, back into your room again. Oh honey, please, can't you see what I see? This is the way it should be, yeah. This is the way it should be. Oh, come on. This is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taken, baby.
Kama Sutra, does it suit you? Your velvet dress is slipping on. Would you stay with me? It's coming through you. Never knew how much it meant when you spoke to me. But everyone needs some